friends, welcome to our channel Magic World TV. Let's unbox a huge collection of some animal toys. We have some sea animals, some wild animals and some dinosaur toys. So let's unbox them and learn their names. Firstly, let's unbox some dinosaur toys. We have lots of colorful dinosaurs in this playset. Dinosaur lived millions and millions of years ago on our planet Earth. Dinosaurs were one of the most huge and gigantic creatures that ever lived on the Earth. Our first dinosaur is a Carnotaurus. A Carnotaurus was a carnivorous animal which has some spikes all over its body. Next one is a Spinosaurus. A Spinosaurus has a large spine outside its body. Spinosaurus. Next one is an Ankylosaurus. An Ankylosaurus walked on all of its four legs. Ankylosaurus. Next dinosaur is the king of the dinosaur, a Tyrannosaurus Rex. It had some sharp teeth and strong claws. Next dinosaur is a Styracosaurus. A Styracosaurus is a herbivorous dinosaur that lived millions of years ago. Styracosaurus. Next is a Spinosaurus. A Spinosaurus is a meat-eating dinosaur. Our next dinosaur is a long-necked dinosaur, a Brachiosaurus. They had this long neck which helped them in eating plants and trees. Next dinosaur is a swimming dinosaur, a Plesiosaurus. A Plesiosaurus. Our next dinosaur and the last one is a Ceratosaurus. A Ceratosaurus was a carnivorous dinosaur which had a horn above its head. Now let's unbox some sea animal toy collection. We have some new and unique sea animals in this playset. So let's learn about these sea animals and their names. Our first sea animal is a squid. A squid has 8 arms and 2 tentacles. Their tentacles are long which help them in swimming backwards. Squid. Our next sea animal is a narwhal. Narwhal is a medium-sized whale which has a tusk outside its body. This long thing is a tusk. Narwhal. Our next one is a hammerhead shark. A hammerhead shark has a head similar to a hammer. Hammerhead shark. An orca whale. An orca whale is black and white in color. It has a very shiny body. Our next sea animal is a crab. A crab has an outer hard shell and very delicate skin from inside. Our next sea animal is a sea snail. A sea snail is a snail which lives in the ocean. Sea snail. This sea animal is called a manatee. These are herbivorous aquatic animals which are also called aquatic cows. They are sea cows. Next one is an octopus. An octopus has 2 horns and 8 legs. Octopus. Next one is a blue whale. A blue whale is the largest mammal on Earth. And the last one The last one is a dolphin. A dolphin is one of the most friendly sea animals in the world. Dolphin. It's time to unbox your favorite play sets. It's some zoo animal toys. The first animal is the most powerful and dangerous animal on earth. It's a lion. A lion has a strong jaw and they have these claws which can help in killing their prey. A lion. A deer is a herbivorous animal. They have these beautiful spots on their body and these horns. A deer. Let's see which is the next animal. It's an elephant, a beautiful elephant. A crocodile. A crocodile has scaly skins. They live in water as well as on land. Crocodiles. A giraffe. A giraffe is the tallest land mammal on earth. They have these brown spots on their body which are actually made to help them protect from the sun rays. Next one is a tiger. Do you know that tigers are one of the most endangered species on our planet Earth? They are largely populated in India. Next one is an Indian rhinoceros. Indian rhinoceros have lighter skins and they have these beautiful horns on their head. Rhinoceros. And the last animal is a zebra, a beautiful zebra. Now let's unbox some farm animal toys. A rabbit is a herbivorous mammal. Rabbit. A buffalo, a beautiful buffalo. A camel. A rooster. A ram. Sheep. A sheep. Donkey. A donkey. A horse. A cow. I hope you had fun watching our unboxing video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more fun videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye.